What's going on, guys? Me and that German guy here, back in another episode of Nether. How are we doing today?
Good,
German
good.
guy? Yeah.
Decided to brandish only my butter knife and start slicing dickheads in the face.
Yeah, because a lot happened since last time, huh?
Yep.
Oh, I fell. I got a boo-boo. Yeah, so last time we cut, right? And then we walked a little bit further, and then all hell broke loose.
Yeah, some asshole killed us.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy just died. He's having bad luck, dude. I just murdered him and he came back and died.
Where are you?
I'm down low.
I'm in the center of town.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm just chilling. Oh, hey.
Run around.
Is that you?
Am I right next to the statue?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
Alright.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, behind you. Watch out.
Oh,
Here,
okay.
Oh. Whoopsie. Uh-oh. Nice. Get that blood. Here,
Yeah, so I've been kind of lurking in corners until I see a green backpack going by, and then I just come out and stab them in the face a couple of times.
Well, I'm gonna hide real quick, and then I'm gonna invite you to group.
Okay.
Oh,
you're being attacked.
I see that.
Dude, you're
stuck on the ground.
You aggroed everything.
It's not letting me get up. Thank you. Oh my god, how did I do that? How did I even do that?
Well, at least we spawn right here.
Right? But how did I even do that?
You just aggroed the freaking Nether apocalypse, bro.
Yeah. I invited you. We can be friends again.
Well, I'll be your friend.
But.
Okay.
Thank you.
You convinced me.
I'm really good at convincing. All I have to do is say but.
Yeah.
But. Hold E to trade. No. Liar.
Come on.
I'm gonna hide in this trash pile.
Where are these people at?
Dude, I don't know.
I want to kill you.
Do you think maybe they gave up because they knew?
I've only killed like 2 people here.
Why do I keep...
I don't know, man. You keep digging a very shallow grave.
Was that you
What?
that killed the thing? Because it's dead and it wasn't me. And I thought I heard a gunshot.
No, I don't have a gun.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Why does this keep happening?
Oh, you killing those leveled me. Nice. Thank you.
Well, it's because we're in friend group, bro.
Now I can guard.
Yeah, I need to get that. Actually, I never use it. I use it when I'm standing around doing nothing.
Yeah.
And I just right click.
Yeah. Sounds about right.
Yeah. I'm a level. So then I think that thing just died at the side of me.
Your penis fell on it and it died.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, there we go.
Hi.
Check my guard, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm freaking like Bane, so nah.
Yeah, but you can't see yourself, so nah.
Whatever, Tony Tiger.
Whatever, bro. You're just mad because you ain't Tony the Tiger like me. You sang a song about it.
No, you sang a song.
No, I sang a song pretending to be you, so take that.
That's weird.
Are these trucks still bricks on the inside? What did I aggro now?
Everything? Actually, that wasn't you. Oh, yeah, it was you. Come back here, you fucking thing.
So I don't think there's anything here for us, man.
Yeah, where all the freaking dead people at?
I think they know. I think they know that we want them dead, man.
Damn it.
Why can't there just be nether devices for us to save? Is that too much to ask for?
Wait, is that someone walking around, or is that a... No,
A leaf
okay.
blowing in the wind?
No, it's the, Lost.
Oh, yeah, it is.
I thought some guy was, like, slowly
What?
meandering down the middle.
Trying to see if he could take us. He can't take us, bro.
Wait, it just blew up. For no reason.
They don't just blow up for no reason.
Sometimes they do, but...
Well, fine. Just dispute everything I have to say all the time. Hold on. You can't go in the cart. In my mind, that means there's somebody here. Oh, nope. But there's a Shrieker and a Lost.
Yeah...
So I'll take care of that. This guy's just looking away. She's hiding and looking away at the wall.
If I can't see them, they can't see me.
Exactly. Whoa, I just had a frame rate drop from Mars.
I'll take your frame rate drop and raise you 20 frames.
Whatever, dude. We're not playing the game of life anymore. Or poker. Poker.
Poker.
Poker.
Poker.
Porker?
Poker.
Porker?
You're like the Parker?
Yes.
Well, this sucks. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, look at you and I stop and then you aggro it.
Yeah, but it was just a crawler this time, not the
Okay, yeah,
crawler
you deal with your
apocalypse.
crawler. Okay, there you go. Have fun.
I did. Thank you very much.
Alright then, fine.
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 Fine. Can we just be friends again? Do we need to fight?
Yes.
Dude, I don't know what to do.
I head out. I'm gonna go in the subway.
Going. Which subway?
Oh, the one out here.
Is it one that's sealed off? Hey, you aggroed a crawler. Maybe you should deal with that. I hope you got fun with it. See how that one feels, Mr. German?
They seem to like you more.
I don't know why. You're the one causing problems. God damn it, it hit me. Oh, there's
Ow.
2 of them.
Oh, that explains it.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, look at Chop Shop. I bet there's no car inside.
Yeah, probably no car inside.
Chop Shop! Look at all the non-existent cars, yay.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I thought you were going to the subway.
I was, and then I got distracted by a Chop Shop. And now I'm distracted by the shiny car.
But it's gold.
Is it? That sucks.
And we're about to get attacked. Nice!
Bitch.
That was some pro skills right there.
Oh shit, I almost unlocked the car.
Don't unlock the
Don't
car.
want to use my last golden key.
Yeah, man. Calm your tits. Oh, 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 oh!
Yeah, you have fun with that.
You're going down with me!
No, I'm not! Keep that thing away from me.
me!
I have my own problems.
Yes, and now those problems involve a golem.
Oh, bandages. Sweet bandages.
Well, you better use those bandages quick.
Oh, yeah, he's doing the... He can't figure out who to hit.
Oh, no, you got me. Keep this hiding. Of course, where do I spawn in the safe zone? But the roof, right? And then I aggro everything. Oh my god.
I'm still fighting it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm still fighting everything over here.
Oh shit, I'm done.
Hey, me too.
Are you in the safe zone?
Yeah?
What else is in the safe zone? Everything in the entire world that you aggro to get?
Yeah. I'm really good at aggroing these things.
Yeah, apparently.
So that's pretty cool.
You aggro so good.
It's because I keep sprinting and forgetting that I shouldn't sprint. I figured out what was going on.
Oh.
Because I'm like, oh, safe zone, let me sprint. Nope. There's nobody here, though, still. Did you survive?
No.
Oh, no, you did.
Almost.
Did you spawn in the safe zone?
Yeah.
Where are you?
The front gate. Heading out back towards where we were.
Whoa!
You having fun out there?
Yeah? No?
Cool.
Sure, the front gate is where the thing that's fucking trying to attack me is coming from.
Nice.
Ow! God damn it. God damn it, Sherman.
Don't blame me.
Cool, I only have 280 health now. Thank you very much. This is your fault.
It is not my fault.
We could have been in the subway, safe and sound, but someone had to get distracted by something. We could have had sandwiches, man.
Oh, now I want a sandwich, kind of.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Ow! We just cut and go buy sandwiches.
They got a sandwich now.
Yeah. And then the rest of the episode will just be us in front of our webcams eating sandwiches. It'll probably be more eventful than this right now.
I don't know. This is repeatedly dying. Is pretty funny.
That's true. Let's see. Alright, I'm on my way to where you are. But I'm probably gonna die.
Nice. Dying is a normal part of life.
Not when you keep respawning. It becomes less normal.
Another just teleported to next to me for no reason and walked away. That was weird.
Fuck you, crawler. I have 40 health left. I have 40 health left.
Nice.
I'm alive. Oh, there's a golem. Oh, that's what you got distracted by. The chop shop.
Yeah. I'm down the subway, bro. I don't know where you're going.
To the golem that just saw me.
Oh. Yeah, and you should keep that up the stairs with you.
No, I'm finding the subway, dickhole.
No. No, you keep going.
I found the subway.
Eat trash.
Open up your map. Tell me if I'm in the same subway as you.
Yes. I'm heading towards a museum.
I think I evaded the golem.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm not dead yet.
That's advantageous.
Oh, so you went the other way. Wait for me.
Never.
The Adventures of 40 Health Rowan.
Oh, you've got like the ringing and shit, huh?
Oh, the ringing's gone. It's just like labored breathing and heartbeats.
Oh.
The ringing was at 100 health. I could really use my global inventory right now with the doctor's pack in it and everything in it.
That'd be nice, huh? Oh shit.
What'd you do?
There's a guy down here. He's
A guy?
he's like fully geared.
So what you're saying is we should go kill him. I'm right behind you. Hi.
Hi.
That's
He's right around that corner with the gun.
Did he see you?
Oh, I think he's in our tribe. Oh, he is.
Remember what happened last time? Say hello. Let him know that, okay. That's not how you type.
Oh.
Wait, really? Did he give you shit?
Yeah.
What'd he give you?
A gun.
Oh, nice. And then he logged out. He just left. He poofed.
Oh. Huh.
Yeah, you need the gun because I'm gonna die. What?
He gave me 8,769 ammo for it.
What?
8,769 ammo.
What? Dude, you gotta global inventory that shit. Are you kidding?
Here, look. Here, pick that up.
Holy shit, 1,096 ammo?
Yeah, that's weird.
So, we need to get to a safe zone, don't we?
I guess. Yeah. Unless that means they'll be like, oh, he's a hacker, and then they delete all our shit.
Well, maybe what we should do is just, like, hide in the subway for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And then just go back to Lakeside.
No, I'm just saying if the game people might find it. Here, give me the ammo back so I can actually use it.
That's 1,096.
Did you take some?
No.
Yeah, you did. Now it's only
No,
13.
I didn't. When you handed it to me, it was 1,096.
Now it's 1,370.
So then it went up from
Wait.
when I had it.
No, it went up more.
Did it
It's
glitch?
137,018.
What?
137,018.
Oh my god! I saw you shoot up at the roof.
There's a nether in there. I was hoping I could hit him.
The nether in the roof.
Oh, dude, now it's only 72 ammo.
Yeah, I think it just glitched.
No. No, it's 137,000.
Whoa!
Oh my god, dude. I have not enough space. 137 negative 137 million pounds.
What?
It keeps going up, dude.
Will it fit in your global inventory?
What?
Will it fit in your global inventory?
No. But I can dole out like groups of it.
That's insane. Where are you? There you are. So that was the most... Oh shit, you better take care of that, because I ain't. Is it dead? Oh, I'm dead.
I shot you in the leg.
You son of a bitch! Where are you? On the map.
Oh wow, I aggroed everything. I mean everything.
Well, I hope you have all the ammo in the world. Good thing you do.
Wow, this thing has some fucking stopping power.
Are you gonna survive this right now?
No, I can't pick up the extra large cache. Oh, I know. Drop the ammo. So we're gonna... just in case it doesn't glitch again, I'm gonna give myself a stack of like 60 ammo. Oh no, it all reformed. Damn it. So I dropped it back on the other one. Dang it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Well, the good thing is you can spawn in Lakeside and just run straight here, which is awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm on my way. I just don't want to aggro everything from next Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
So, like, I'm walking right now until I get outside.
Oh shit, dude, the large bundle of cash or whatever despawned. Damn it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cash shouldn't have any weight. That's stupid.
Oh.
That don't make not one damn iota of sense.
Alright, good news is the ammo's not glitched except for the mother stack.
Mm-hmm. All I'm saying is get me some of that ammo, yo.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I picked it up and now I have 17 million. Okay. I'm sorry I cannot save your backpack and butter knife, my friend.